Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Uh, in today's topic, we are going to discuss with you the SAP UI5. What is SAP UI5 and what is the advantage, disadvantage for the previous technology we are using before the SAP UI5 and all other things. So let's begin. So let's understand what is SAP UI5, right? So SAP UI5 is like nothing, it's just a framework. We can say that it is just a framework which is which is used or developed by the SAP. It create an option to develop a responsive application which can run on multiple device. Okay, which responsive application which can be run on multiple device like iOS device or Android device or web application you can run on anywhere because it is responsive for the device. So this is the main thing which you can know that SAP UI5 is. Before the SAP UI5, there are various technologies also available like BSP, WebDynamo Pro ABAP or WebDyn Pro Java. But what is the main disadvantages of this previous framework or applications technologies? You can say that it is very slow in their performance. If I'm talking about the BSP, what is these previous technologies? BSP and WebDyn Pro ABAP and WebDyn Pro Java. These all are these previous technology before we are using the SAP UI5. So disadvantages are there that is very slow in performance. They only support the desktop applications. If you talk about the look and feel, which is really very important for a day now, that is they are very poor in look and feel. You have only option to create a white and blue colors combinations applications are there. But now what SAP UI5 given a capability to us, it just improve the performance of application. So now the application is very fast. All it supports almost all the devices because it is responsive in their designs, as well as it gives us a very rich look and feel in our application. You can create a multiple colors combination themes and all. You have a multiple possibilities are there. You can create a UCP UI5 applications. So what SAP UI5 technology do, it is mainly actually a client side technologies. But before that, it is like Web BSP or WebDyn Pro and others technologies are like the server side technology. So that is the main difference that caused the changes in the performance also because the client side application runs on the client device. So their only CRUD operation is going to be done on the server side. Other things you can the system perform and technology perform over the client side. But in the server side technology, all these operations are performed on the server side. If there's a loose or you can say it, multiple channel they have to pass for the connecting with the server and then giving the response back to the client. So these are the major things that you can say that okay, why what is the actually SAP UI5 is doing and how it is helping us to industries to develop solutions that is more responsive or more capable to do any task. If we talk about the architecture of this SAP UI5, the architecture of SAP UI5 application is like MVC patterns. Means the same we know about the model view controller patterns. So SAP UI5 application is same on the patterns of MVC. It has a view, it has a model, it has a controller. The main thing is very important that the every view in the SAP UI5 application has their own controller where you can perform any user actions, any validations, any CRUD operation, any task, any event handling you can do with their controller sides. In the view side, you can only implement the what actual the system application will view, how this look and feel will be shown to the users. So in the view side, that will be the view part, and the controller have actions like events, validations, operations, and all this. and the module is there we said it deal with the data and manipulations. So models is like a connector between the model like a view and the controller sides. So that is the main thing I like to share. To understand better the what is SAP UI5, in the next session, I'll show you how to work with the SAP BTP, how to create an account on SAP BTP, how to understand the SAP BTP architecture, the base, and then we'll move forward to develop an SAP UI5 application using SAP BTP BAS, that is Business Application Studio, and we'll definitely get a very great benefit. So kindly, if you feel that it's help you, so kindly share and subscribe to my video. So you'll get a regular update over this SAP BTP technology, SAP UI5 and other technology for the SAP related. Thank you so much for watching.